Hi, this is Janet Statterman, and I'm interviewing an online student to talk about support services in her online learning. This is Taylor Belcher. Taylor, if you tell us what year you are and what program you're in.
I'm a second year and I'm an early childhood education major.
How many online courses have you taken?
3 this semester. That's it.
Do you feel that you were prepared for taking the online courses when you took your first course?
Yes, it was a big transition because it's just so much different than regular courses. But after they say what all needs to be done, the discussion board posts and all that, then it was a lot easier to understand everything.
Did you participate in an orientation before your first online class?
No, I just jumped in.
Were the courses that you've taken, all 3 of them, were they organized in the same way so that it was familiar to you?
The 2 education classes that I'm in were organized the exact same way, but I'm also in a math class online, and you have to register on a separate website, and that's where you do all your homework and your tests and quizzes and all that.
So it's not in Blackboard?
No.
Okay.
It's called My Math Lab.
And how do you like that compared to the courses that were the same in Blackboard?
I prefer the Blackboard courses just because not so much linking and going back and forth.
Okay. Was there anything you did not understand? If you think back to your first online course, was there anything you didn't understand how to do?
Not so much because it was on Blackboard like all of our regular courses are when you go on to see announcements and stuff like that. Certain stuff discussion board, getting used to having to go there every week was just kind of hard, but you get used to it.
How do you structure your time for an online course?
I usually just whenever I have time. This week I got it all done on Monday.
Okay.
Some weeks I find myself waiting until Thursday to do it for the weekend and stuff like that.
So you don't necessarily structure a set time every day or every week?
Just whenever I can squeeze it in usually.
Did you have to seek out technical help either from UCIT or from the help desk?
No, I just figured it out myself.
Okay. What was the most positive thing about your experience online so far?
It's a lot more convenient doing homework and tests and everything in my room than having to go to class. That's really it.
Very good. What would you like to see change or improve with your online learning at UC? Is there an area of weakness that we don't do a good enough job that we could improve upon?
I can't think of anything off the top of my head. It's pretty easy to understand.
Okay. And you didn't have to seek out any student support?
No.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to add about either student support services or about the online learning environment?
No, I really do like the online classes. I think they're benefit all of us when we have a lot work and extracurricular stuff going on.
Do you know many other undergraduate students, first-time college students that are taking online classes while they're taking their face-to-face?
Yes, a couple of my friends and my roommate are taking online classes as well. They seem to like it.
And is the number one reason time?
Yes.
Okay. Also, does it help the fact that you guys know how to you're comfortable with the technology? Is that
I think so.
help? Yeah.
Maybe 5 years ago it would be harder for people to understand it, but now we're so into it.
Okay. All right. Well, very good. Well, this concludes our interview. Thank you very much, Taylor, for your time.
Thanks.